food.
I don't know.
Would Schlotzsky's be okay with you?
I'm not a big Schlotzsky's fan, but whatever.
Sorry, just trying to get the picture that I know you want.
It will not be a flash for me. Your camera needs to. Brandon needs to do it. Did that yesterday too. I was like, trying
You
to
go
take
halfway
pictures.
down.
I did.
And then it'll give you green light.
If I turn the TV off for just
Nope.
a second.
Okay.
I think because my machine's right underneath it, I have to come around here and check this left ear, sorry.
No. Tell me to get out of the way so you can do your thing.
She's got pretty eyelashes.
Yeah. Really long. How about you guys just tell us where you're gonna go to lunch and we'll pick something from there. So we don't interrupt whatever you're
That's what
doing.
you want.
Yeah, I don't. I mean, you guys are kind of, stuck here. We can go out and get whatever we want.